Today we're going to talk about using slump and hump molds. They're a great way to give three-dimensionality to your slabs. First, you got to decide which is the best for what you're trying to make. Now, if I'm going to turn this textured slab into a dish, I want to make sure that I choose a mold that won't disrupt this texture. Okay? That means the top surface is important. Dishes need to have this kind of shape. If I were to lay it on here, it's going the wrong direction, and if I flip it over, I'm going to mush all of my texture. So a hump is not a good choice for a dish. So I would want to flip it over and then place it in here. You can tap like this to get your mold to lay in there. Make sure your edges are exactly how you want them before you put them in the mold. Now, if I was turning this textured slab into a lid, for example, a hump would be a good choice. Again, you can tap to get it to go down, or you can gently press. Another thing to keep in mind is if you roll this slab and you have a slab that fits all the way over and you want to let it dry overnight, please remember that it will suck in, and if you have it tucked under like this, for example, and it dries overnight, it's going to shrink and then it's going to crack because it has nowhere to go. So please keep in mind that your slab is going to shrink as it dries, and you don't want your mold to interfere with that. Now you've got to keep your clay on the mold until it's leather hard. Otherwise, as soon as I take it off here, I'm just going to have another flat slab. So be patient. Keep your clay on the mold until it's fully leather hard. You should be able to pick up a corner and it should lift the whole thing. When it can do that, you know you're ready.